Apple doesn't talk about processors or RAM, they talk about you. Every Apple ad says one thing: this product makes you feel smarter, cooler, more creative. Meanwhile, every other tech brand floods you with specs and numbers and just confusion. It's information overload. Your brain shuts down. Your attention drifts. Apple understood a simple truth about us. The moment your consumer has to think too hard, you've already lost. That's why Apple built clarity so strong, they turned a phone into a status symbol, a tool into luxury. If you need to explain it, you've already overcomplicated it.